Hi everyone, in this video you will learn about how to create an account on blogger.com and start blogging. But before that, it's important to know what is a blog. A blog is a website that consists of frequent entries that are called posts. The posts are typically displayed in chronological order, means date-wise they are shown, with the most recent post at the top of the main page and the older post towards the bottom and on other web pages. A blog is usually written by one person and is updated frequently. It is often written on a particular topic. Blogging has as many applications and varieties as you can imagine, from photography to recipes, personal thoughts, and hobbies. Through blogs, people can learn lots of things, share ideas, make friends, and even do business with people with similar interests from around the world. Blogger is owned by Google. First, you will open blogger.com and a quick look at the website. You can choose the perfect design. Different templates will be available to choose from. You will get a free domain, or you can get a custom domain as well. That one you have to buy. Obviously, it will have many other features. You can earn money from blogging as well, as Google AdSense can automatically display relevant targeted ads on your blog. And you can know your audience, as Google Analytics is connected to your blog as well. So first of all, we will click here, create your blog. So first I will log into my Google account. So once I logged into my Google account, I'll click here, create your blog. Okay, it's still logging in. Okay, it's done. So here you are. You have to choose, first of all, you have to choose a name for your blog. This is the title that will be displayed at the top of your blog. So for example, I will type here Mission Mars. I want to create a blog about this Mars expedition. So I'll click next. And here you have to choose a URL of your blog. So for example, if I type mission-mars, and Google will check the availability. Sorry, it's not available. So I have to change the name, or I can put some number here like this. All right, this is available. So you will try like that. Now I will click next and confirm your display name. How do you want your name displayed to readers of your blog? So for example, I will put my name and I click finish. And here is the first page of my blog. So I have successfully created an account on blogger.com, and on the left side here you can see I have posts, statistics, comments, earning, so pages, layout, all these we will explore as well in coming videos. So this is how the first step was, to create an account on blogger.com. Thanks for watching.